guys. Just outside Ocho Rios exchange. This while ago I drive past and see a house is sale. So I'm saying, you know what? I'll just catch a video. Have some nice house around here still. Look like the land size them big too. Get the nice. Some nice house around. One time back in the days when I saw a top community, you know. See, eh? So this is the house, let me see. Anyway, we're going to see the house them for sale, you know. We are doing video upon them. What the price is? I don't know. They decide. What the price is? I don't know. How much room in there? Don't know. You have to call to find out. You see the yard there. Now go over there. Tree over there. Nice land space too. See, eh? You see the sign? If you're interested, that's there the number. A nice little area still. Some nice house around here. See the house. Oh, yeah. See this side. That they included. Yeah. Just outside Ocho Rios. So I do have drive. When I drive out, we go up on the main road. I'll continue the video to show now how the thing set. So as I say, I just drive past and see it. And I say, you know, once a house, you know, house and land a full thing, you know. Once a house and land, I go put it up. See, one over there, so. See, yes. So this side, Selburn Garden, Eltham. See the house. So this is the area. Showing you the area. Yeah, it's a nice house. Run us mostly returning resident live around us. Mostly returning resident. Selburn Garden, Eltham. So this is the way out now. I'm showing you come out. Nice. Oh, sorry, so as I said, I drive past and see the house. And say, you know, I just do a video. The price, I don't know how much of the price. If interested, I have to just call them and find out. Get the information on it. guys. So we're on the way now. We're going to end up at White River. Sure now we get down. White River. Remember White River Reggae Bash? Over here so it used to keep. We got a way back in the days, White River Reggae Bash. Yep. That's the White River. Alright, that's it there.